How to fix Ethiopian Airlines app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Ethiopian Airlines app not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you might want to do is update the app to its latest version. Now the app updates come with bug fixes and minor improvements, so that can fix your problem. So simply search for Ethiopian Airlines on your app store. And if you see an update option available, instead of open, tap on update and start with the update. After the update completes, try and use your app and check if it works. If it still does not work, you might want to clear out its cache. To do that, go to your settings. You should come to this iPhone storage. If you don't know how, I'll show you. So first open up your settings. This is what you'll see first. Then go to general and then go to iPhone storage. After here, simply search for Ethiopian Airlines. There we go. And tap on offload. Complete the offload and reinstall the app, and that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more. And